Okay guys, I have believe you have installed your Adobe Illustrator in your computer. Let's learn how to create a new document. In order to create a new document, for shortcut key you can click Ctrl N, or you just can click this button called Create New. After you have clicked on it, on your right hand side you can see there is a name called Untitled 1 or 2. This is to rename your file. For this example, let's create a name called Design 1. And the below one, you can see there is a column called multi-millimeter. This is the matrix of the your artboard. For this example, let's leave it by default is millimeter. And also you can create in a landscape mode or a portrait mode. On the top corner, you can see there is a column called Mobile Web Print. This is the preset template which you can refer to. So let's try to click on Print. Then you can see there is a bunch of the templates which you can refer to. When you click on it, you can download and save it. So for this example, let's create an A4 size artworks. Now after you have created, then you realize that hey, I don't really want an A4 size of the artwork, so how can I recreate my size? So no worry, you can scroll to your left hand side, you see a artboard 2, click on it, then you will automatically select the total artboard, and the top right side you can see there is a width and height. This is the area which you can custom your artboard size. Let's say I want to have a 100mm by 100mm artboard size. So this is how you change your artwork. Now this is just an example on how you can scale an artboard. So let's go back to the basic A4 size. Click any area beside the white area, and then click Ctrl Z again back to A4 size and click on the outer surface of the artboard.